Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to discuss biomedical physics and diagnosis for health problem treatment. Medical diagnosis is a procedure of determining a disease using laws of science and instrument using scientific apparatus. Biomedical physics have many applications in modern medical diagnosis and for research. The subject of biomedical physics research have many important and physical phenomena control over the several organ system of human body in connection with physiological system. The diagnosis process start with revealing symptoms of any disease, such as when people have cardiac problem, they need to examine with ECG or CT scan, NMR and other diagnosis experiment for identifying disease using report. Medical diagnosis is very usual process for determining any disease in human body or in animal. The diagnosis process involves many scientific experiment, instrument, apparatus and physics. But we also need to know about disease symptoms and medical procedure for doing that. Now I am going to discuss some diagnosis experiment. First of all, I am going to discuss X-ray. X-ray produced when high energy electron travel through high voltage to metal anode. X-ray used to determine any bone fracture or other type of hard tissue related disease. Is very useful for determining any fracture or bone breaking. Then the ultrasonogram. Ultrasound having frequency 1 to 10 MHz used to diagnose various disease. Ultrasound source is placed in front of human body where need to produce ultrasonogram, and then ultrasound wave reflected back from there and produce ultrasound image that can be used as the report for diagnosing any disease. Echocardiogram. Echocardiogram used for determining heart disease using ultrasound. The ultrasound source is placed in front of heart and the report can be produced using that. Ultrasound having frequency 1 to 10 MHz used for that. Computed tomography scan or CT scan. Computed tomography scan where X-ray and contrast dye used to determine any disease related to the nervous system. The X-ray produced bread sliced and they all put them together to get the whole picture. Magnetic resonance imaging. The water molecules in any human body have proton. When the patient need to examine in MRI, they have to place in a strong magnetic field that create resonance with body proton movement, produce magnetic field and the resonance imaging used to determine any disease. Electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram used to determine any heart disease, and exercise tolerance test is diagnosing with ECG while doing exercise. Cardiac defibrillator can be used for heart block heart attack treatment that can supply 200 joules of energy in 2 milliseconds that can be melt the heart, the blood that is get frozen inside the blood circulatory system. Then the endoscopy is diagnostic process for determining any disease in human body or animal internal organ using highly intense beam of light and optical fiber. Angiogram used to diagnose blood circulation blockage using X-ray and contrast dye. Also, the heart block can be treated using laser-induced cardiac surgery for heart block removal using laparoscopic liposuction. Radiotherapy by radioactive isotope used to treat any disease. Also, we can use chemotherapy. Also, we can place any radioactive source in our body that called brachytherapy. After diagnosing with the device and experiment describing this research paper, we will be able to know the patient report about the disease to decide about medication and treatment and diet, etc. We can try to manage diet optimization by taking high carb or low carb menu as our daily need. 2500 kilocalorie for men and 2000 kilocalorie for women per day. So we can take like carbohydrate and protein in such a way, also vitamin and lipid, so that we can get that vitamin and energy from that. Medical diagnosis using this instrument is very difficult to do but very useful in determining any disease. We need to be careful about false report and any misuse. Thank you.